Hey guys, I just want to show you the latest section that I designed for the Cuptisserie, the latest add-on. And I was asked to design an add-on that gave you more space shaft center to shaft center. And the reason they wanted more space is because they wanted to work with larger cups, and they didn't want the cups to be that close together so they couldn't bump into the adjacent cup that's on the adjacent shaft. And this is what I came up with. It has an additional gear in it that gives you the extra spacing, and it's just like any other add-on. You want to add it on, whether you're adding it on to another add-on section or to the base unit. You would remove the two spacers in the end and then assemble your add-on section and just slide it in. Put your two screws and nuts in there and make them finger tight. And that's what it would look like, and you're ready to roll. So I'm just going to load on a couple of 20-ounce cups just to show you what it looks like space-wise with 20-ounce cups on it, and give you an idea how much space there is between cups. So anyways, if you guys liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. I have more videos coming. And thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.